How's it going, guys? This is Bug109 here. Welcome to an episode of Stormworks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make engines more powerful in Stormworks so that if you're building a bigger boat, you don't have to put as many of them. So let's get into it. So the first thing what you're going to want to do is go to this PC, Program Files 86, then you'll go to Steam, Steam Apps, Common, stormworks, go to ROM, data, definitions, and then find an engine. For an example here, I'm going to be doing the small engine, which is just this. Copy it, and paste it in the backups folder. Oops. Paste it in the backups folder. I just have this, so we're going to put it in here. And then open it. Make sure you're using Notepad or some way to edit this. So now you can see all this code here. What you want to do is see this number. That is the amount of power the engine puts out. Right now it puts out 20,000. So what you want to do is rename your engine to something. For example, I'm going to rename it to test. Then rename the small engine to test. And then change your engine max force whatever you want. I'm going to do it to 60,000. What this means is your engine will now put out 60,000 instead of 20. Then, once you save it, put it in your definitions folder. All you have to do is just go back in your definitions folder and put it in. If you don't know how to get to it, just go to here, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Stormworks, ROM, Data, Definitions, and then just drag it in here. Let's launch our game. And this process is the same for the aircraft engine, which is the medium diesel, and the large, except they look different. And the engine will put out more power. So if I spawn here in the workbench, and I'll teach you guys how to make this bigger in another video. But if you type engine, if we go to our small diesel, as you can see, we have a test. I just got to find it. I have 20 different modded files. I just got to, there it is. As you can see, it puts out 60,000. All of these I've modified to put out more. And it's the exact same process for a large engine. So I'm going to quickly show you guys that. I just created a definition shortcut on your desktop. So the aircraft engine is the medium diesel, and the engine diesel is your large. It's the same process. Make sure you copy your aircraft engine, paste it in your definitions. Not in definitions, in backups. I keep making that mistake. Go in here, paste it, then name it to something like test, aircraft engine underscore test. Then come in here, change it to test, then change your force to whatever you want. I'm going to triple it, so we're going to do 180,000. Now it's at 180,000. Make sure you save it. And then just drag into your definitions folder. And then it will appear in your game, and it is the same process for the large engine. To make sure it actually worked, I will show you guys to do the last large diesel as well, to make sure that works. Now that we're in here, if we check inside of here, and you type medium engine, it should appear right next to your original engine, but I have 20 different modded files, and as you can see, it puts out 180 instead of 60,000. And it's the exact same process for the large diesel. Make sure you find engine diesel, large engine, test, then change that to wherever you want. I'm going to triple it, so 600,000. Oop. That's the original file. You don't want to do that. Just modify the original file. to save it. There we go. So this is how it looked originally. Sorry about that, guys. I modified the wrong file, but you copy it, paste it in backups in your mods, name it to test, change it to test, and then change the force wherever you want it. I'm going to do 600,000. Drag it into your definitions folder. Hope it went in there and not. Okay, it's in my mods folder. Let's drag it in your definitions. And then it will appear inside your menu. It's not going to look the exact same as yours will not look the exact same as mine because I created 20 different files for each engine. If this video gets over 50 likes, I will show you guys how to increase the power of electric motors. Now, if we look in our workbench and we type large engine, as you guys can see, there it is. It will appear next to your large engine. It will appear here. Mine appeared here because I have 20 different versions and they scramble. So, if this video gets over 50 likes, I will do a video on how to do the same with electric motors. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notifications for my future uploads. Peace out. Peace out. So go to videos, base profile. Hope that recording's saved.